Nivelleru Olaya Janaru. Respected man, principal of this esteemed college, my two colleagues, Madhavji and Rajivji, all the respected teachers of this institute, non-teaching staff if any, and more importantly, some students sitting here who are more important to us and because of whom we exist. We exist as academic administrators or teachers. Well, the long marathon is over. More than us, we worked only for last 2 days. But I'm sure you all were working for minimum 6 months or maybe more than that. So first of all, I feel बंद ही करे तो अच्छा होगा. You all must give a round of applause to your NAC coordinator, Professor Mani. It's not easy to be a NAC coordinator, especially for the assessment and accreditation of the institute. Because this whole exercise is nothing less than organizing and waiting at home, right? Or it may be more than that. So it is NAC who really will knock me dumb luck. And I know I have gone through every responsibility in the institute, worked right from the NAC coordinator to every possible position in college and then as Vice Chancellor. So I know it. You people are very nice people, but I'm sure when the NAC coordinator tries to call you, assign certain jobs, sometimes you get tired, how long and how much to work. He keeps on giving work, criteria after criteria, infrastructure, so many responsibilities. And sometimes it becomes too much for you, and then you generally start avoiding NAC coordinator. If you see him coming from the other end, you change your route. You go to the other direction so that we will not do some more. So it's a task, it's a difficult task. I know, working for institute, and this is your 4th cycle. Well, we also worked very hard for the last 2 days. It's not easy. The first day is always very hectic to interact with everyone, visit the infrastructure facilities. And one wonderful thing you all have is the beautiful campus, such a large campus, great, wonderful greenery. So even moving from one end to the other end was a good exercise for us. And whenever, probably I don't know, sometimes we felt that Nayakji was taking revenge or something, that he made us walk so much. And then we told him, let us save some time, you arrange vehicle. But we said that to save time, but actually we were tired. Anyway, but that's that, and it's a wonderful experience for us to, first of all, let me, on behalf of my colleagues, thank profusely your hospitality team taking great care, especially Praveen, Geeta, Akshata, and some more. I'm sorry if I've forgotten the names, but they took such a good care that probably we'll go back with at least 1 kg more than when we reached here. You all know this is a 4th cycle, so there's nothing new for you. The whole process of accreditation, and whatever we have done in 2 days is enclosed in this report, which after my address I'm going to hand over to your principal, and she is expected to keep it in a good, the locker system if you have, to ensure that it is not open till the grade is declared. And after the grade is declared, she is expected to call you all, maybe like this, and open it before you and read out certain things, especially the recommendations we have made, to make you aware what needs to be done in the next 5 years. So that's how it goes. And today, I hope there is no reporter or anything, no media here, right? Okay, so that is the exercise, as you all know. And at the same time, believe me or not, even we do not know what grade you are going to get. For obvious reason that your 70% assessment was made online through the submission of your the report through DVV, and what we have in mind at hand is only 30%, right? So we all have done our best to ensure that no injustice is done to this institute, and everything is taken care of, and we ensure that we visited every part, interacted with everyone. It's very hectic actually. Even yesterday for the whole day visit, and then I think my colleagues also had to sacrifice their sleep and write the report, keeping awake at late night. So it's a good learning for all of us. When we visit such institutions, it is also learning for us. We also get to know some good things. We felt offended that we said something. The intention definitely was not to hurt anyone or not to find faults with you, but to share some of our experiences and expectations, of course. And being a fourth cycle, I think everyone would expect that you know everything and how to present. But these are a few things, it happens during interaction. It's always a learning, we say. And you all are aware that the entire grade will be dependent on the 7 criteria. Each one of you must have contributed to some criteria, so you know everything. So that is, I'm not going to talk much about the report, and it has to be a confidential, as I said. But it is a good learning for us. Some of your really achievements, or I would say the thing which is a unique feature of this college is, I would say, your zoology museum. And another unique feature, most of your departments have separate buildings, which is a luxury, I always say. If you come to Mumbai, the only scope we have is to grow vertically, okay? And you can't afford to have such a huge land or campus in Mumbai. And there are a lot of limitations we have. So even for the future growth, I think is a wonderful stepping stone you have in terms of the availability of the campus. So what I can only say here that wishing you all the best and expecting higher grade for you, that you will be happy to, because there is always what you call the sense of belonging to the institute where you work. And each one, whether you are teacher, student sitting there, everyone will feel proud when you get a good grade, right? And that is what you are definitely work towards to achieve it. But as I said, you have to wait till it is declared, which may take maybe a week or maximum 2 weeks. Normally it is very fast. So that is about, as I said, that's not right on my part, because we don't come here to criticize anything or to even correct anyone. Okay? We are here to only observe what you have submitted in the form of SSR, go through it, visit and ensure and verify. And there is a possibility when you write your report, you may miss out certain things. Your duty to ensure that yes, there is probably something more than what you have included in the SSR, and we must give a due weightage and credit to that also. Or it may also happen sometimes that somebody writes one thing and what is there is different, which doesn't match with the report. So these are the few things I think the peer team members are expected to do. As we are not different people, we are also like you. So all of us, including, even though I was Vice Chancellor, basically we are teacher. And once you are teacher, lifetime you remain teacher. And now, being a teacher, whenever teacher gets a mic, always try to share a few things. Again, here I'm not going to give you any sort of advices or anything as that kind. But if it is okay with you all, maybe I'll take some time to share some of my thoughts about higher education system today, what is expected in future, and how we need to prepare ourselves. And whatever I say, that doesn't mean that is directly applied to your institute, but in general. Is it okay if I take some? Otherwise, it should not happen that you're getting bored and because